Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best duct fans that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the AC Infinity Cloudline T4 Inline Duct Fan. Everyone looking for a suitable duct fan has one common request from it: less noise. The AC Infinity Cloudline T6 Inline Duct Fan not only comes with the quietest motor on the market, but it's also got artificial intelligence too. This is the best inline fans as its features are impeccable. It also has a programming controller that measures humidity and temperature using sensors. And although the measurements may not always be accurate, it's close enough to get a good job done. Then there's the motor that is electronically controlled using the smart program and pulses. It makes for all-around quieter productivity. What's more, this AC Infinity duct fan is elementary to install and equally simple to use. It's certainly not one of those duct fans you don't have to fiddle with too much before it's up and running, and you'll appreciate that there's a complete plug-and-play kit with everything you would need to mount the fan and even power it. Moving on, at number 4, we have the VIVOSUN 4-inch 195 CFM inline duct fan. VIVOSUN created beauty, and it's none other than the VIVOSUN 4-inch 195 CFM inline duct ventilation fan. It's a lot different from our first option in terms of class and style, but is still a solid choice. All in all, it is the most versatile vent booster fan on the market, as it's suited for grow rooms, greenhouses, basements, kitchens, etc. So, anywhere you install this beautiful duct fan, it does just fine. Although the suction power is low, it comes with a flow deflector that kills sound output to as low as 30 decibels. It further packs some impressive specifications, such as a 4-inch duct size, an input power of 28 W, a 5.6 feet power cord length, and a fan speed of 2930 RMP. That being said, there's no doubt this VIVOSUN duct fan has a powerful fan speed which moves air quickly and is also lightweight. Even better, it does not take up much space, and this makes it an ideal choice for when massive air duct fans don't fit. At number 3, we have the TOPHORT 4-inch inline duct fan. Are you looking for a more middle-grade duct fan? If your answer is yes, then the TOPHORT 4-inch inline duct fan fits the description perfectly. Just like most of the vent booster fans, it's suitable for greenhouse ventilation, grow rooms, basements, and kitchens. This TOPHORT fan is just the same size as the second best duct fan in this article. So, if what you're looking for is an inexpensive version of the same size, this will do the trick. It also has a fan speed of 2,400 RPM, power of 60 W, and 31 decibels as noise level. Some would argue it's just the same quality as both VIVOSUN models above, but there are slight differences between them. Additionally, TOPHORT designed this duct fan with the following features. First, there are the perfectly balanced blades that are used to vent exhaust air and boost air supply. There's also the permanently lubricated motor bearings that aid its quiet operation, and of course, a handy speed controller. At number 2, we have the TerraBloom ECMF 250 Quiet 10-inch inline duct fan. The TerraBloom ECMF 250 Quiet 10 inches inline duct fan has an airtight metallic casing that protects its interior from humidity. If this does not point to durability, then we don't know what does. When you're going for a duct fan or any device, durability should never be sacrificed. Thankfully, you don't have to do that here. In terms of its operation, TerraBloom manufactured this duct fan with an aerodynamically optimized impeller, which is powered by adjustable motor speed. Furthermore, each fan is wired to a speed controller and is accompanied by mounting hardware as well as an AAC power cord. What's more, adjusting the fan speed is quite easy once the speed controller is correctly connected to the fan, and connecting the controller is required to generate airflow. To take the ease of operation further, Adjusting the fan speed is a breeze once the speed controller is correctly connected to the fan. Nevertheless, keep it in mind that other rheostat speed controllers will not work with this fan. And finally at number 1, we have the TerraBloom ECMF100R Quiet 4-inch Inline Duct Fan. The TerraBloom ECMF100R Quiet 4 Inline Duct Fan is another testament to the brand's ability to put out great products. Its all-around design features a metallic case and is wireless. So, there's a lot of conveniences already on the table with this one. What's more, this fan is perfect for humidity and heat exhaust from dryer grow tents as well as a range of other applications. It is also manufactured with aerodynamically optimized impellers that are powered by a speed-adjustable motor. Additionally, the accompanying wireless remote is run by a CR2032 battery and has a range of 50 feet even through walls. It doesn't get more convenient than this, especially when you consider the price. What's more, the whole setup offers users a whopping 6 different speed settings, which makes for more control altogether. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.